Hello everyone. So today's video is management strategies. So there's a number of different things we use to manage. One, staying active or working towards getting active. Find something that motivates you to get out as much as you can. For me, it's playing Wizards Unite. I go out and I play every day. Sometimes that may be walking around. A lot of times right now, that is driving. But a lot of people don't realize that the muscles that are required to be able to drive around, those are important muscles to be able to walk, to be able to do all those other things. And they are activated if you're even up and about rather than just relaxed in a chair or things like that. And when you're in a car, it's very hard to slump, which is very bad for those muscles and can put things, because they're relaxing too much, relaxing and not holding things in. So find something that keeps you active. Some other things: PT, physical therapy. As I've talked about on here before, I have exercises that my physical therapist has given me. And we've actually gone through some of them, either that he's given me or my kids, or he's recommended for other people. I have in the exercises playlist here on this channel. And that's a really good help to be able to stay active and to even improve in your health. Some other things are, if you're having problems, making sure things are put back into place, things like that can be huge. And I have some of what my physical therapist has shared on here too. And we use those to be able to manage and keep things in. We also use KT tape, especially the thumb can be a hard thing to brace. And so we use KT tape. Especially my physical therapist prefers KT tape over regular braces because it forces the muscles to still work rather than just stopping the muscles working and holding things in place. At the same time, when necessary, he does recommend bracing, but being aware of it and making sure you're working out those muscles as necessary to strengthen the muscles to where the braces hopefully will not be needed in the future. So that's a huge thing. We are working on a app because we're aware that not everyone has access to a physical therapist that understands EDS, or their insurance or things like that doesn't cover as well. And our insurance is actually one of the best for covering physical therapy. So we would like to have this out there for everyone to be able to have access to the information from a physical therapist if they can't get physical therapy. So physical therapy is a huge one. Another one is making sure you're taking your prescriptions, your vitamins, if you've tried some and found them helpful, other supplements, things like that. That can be very important for managing. And if we miss some, it's really obvious. Another one we use, and I've said it before, in my Flare toolbox, is our electrolytes. We actually use these. This calls for a scoop per, a scoop is a serving. So for 10 to 14 ounces, I actually use a scoop in about, or half a scoop in about 28 ounces. And add some vitamin C in with that. So I'm getting extra antioxidants, which actually helps your immune system, helps you heal, everything like that, while also getting the electrolytes. We try not to use any straight water unless that's the only things that's available. But when we're home, or my daughter keeps one of these at her uncle's because she's there a lot. So we use that as management too, because if you can manage rather than treat the flare, many times treating the flare is the same thing as managing, just more intense, or just making it through the flare. So I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.